Hi. So I was looking at this problem regular expression matching and I did solve it with the way Shriver has mentioned and um, I feel it's correct. I feel it's completely correct. And it's just that sometimes we all get confused. So one thing for my own self, for my help is instead of using I1 and I2 or I and J, where you keep forgetting which one is the index of the string and which one is of the pattern, and you get confused, it's always better to have like an index for the string, which is I underscore S, and I underscore P for the I index of the pattern. It's just very simple. So if the string is exhausted and the pattern is also exhausted at the same time, return a true. If the pattern is exhausted but the string is not exhausted, return false. If the string is exhausted but the pattern is not exhausted, then there's only one way this can be true is that if everything in the pattern is a star, so that's what it returns. And so this is what we have. So if so we check if the character if this index of the string is equal to the character at the pattern of that index, and if the index of the pattern is a dot, then we can match the string and the pattern, and then like reduce the index and like keep checking from the previous index if that matches. And if that does not, if there's a let's say a star, then we will return like either we like use this star to match with this one where like we match this character with the star and we stay at the same index, or we remove the star, like we forget about this star, and like the star matches to nothing or the star matches to something. Those are the two cases. And recursively, this will help you. Like if you have like a bunch of the characters, you can like keep matching them. And if none of these cases are true, return a false. And return just is match util of this. Now, if you want to, let's say, look at, so I submitted this and I feel like this solution is correct. And this gives the wrong solution, right? Mississippi, and this is the pattern. And the output, my output is true and expected is false. But if you look at this thing, so dot matches with I, the star matches with P, this P matches with P, this I and S can match with S, the star can match with this SI, then S matches with S, I matches with I, star can match with SI, and then MIS can match. So I'm not sure why LeetCode has done this, and I've actually seen a bunch of solutions. I feel like um, that might be some Chat GPT solution. Like this is exactly the solution that Chat GPT gives me using this J plus 2 thing, which I'm not very sure. So here it says that if the next character in the pattern is followed by a star, the function can match zero or more occurrences of the preceding character. The function recursively tries two cases, either skip the preceding character and the star, or match the preceding character and recursively trying to match the remaining part of string and pattern. Otherwise, the function simply checks the next character in P matches the next character in S is the dot character. So I'm not sure what this J plus 2 is. If someone in the comments understands it, it would be great. Please feel free to leave the solution. I studied Shriver's SDE sheet, and this is what I could come up with. And this passes 270 test cases. But the ChatGPT version, I'm sure, passes everything, just like you saw. So if someone has like an understanding of why that J plus 2 is there and has a really good detailed explanation, please feel free to, you know, drop that by in the comments and I'll be really happy to talk about that too. Thank you.